Good afternoon. Doing a quick overview on Banker11 for binary options. This is a system it's a system for binary options. If you don't know what binary options are, just search on Google what's binary options. This systems you trade only 1 hour per day, and the results on this is approximately $3,000 potential amount. You can read the website over here. It's a pretty good system. I use it myself. You can see it, winners and losers over here. Go through this website. There's a link below for more information on this website. But watch this 10-minute video and I'll explain exactly what's going on. What's exactly this Banker11 Lite system.
Hello and welcome to the Index Binary Options System Series Banker11. Banker11 is a powerful system, and it is comprised of a light version and a pro version. The light version is can be considered a more introductory version of the system, but the pro version is actually quite different, although it's somewhat related to the light version. It stems out of the pattern of trading of the light version. So, in short, this is a very powerful system. This light version is scalable, meaning you can. We have been taking net systems results of $3,237 per month based off $500 position sizes, and that's just off of this S&P 500 index. You can trade more. You can increase your position size with our money management system, not any crazy willy-nilly oversized trades. Please don't do that. Get our course and study our money management system. It's actually critical. And so you can take this monthly average and you can expand it by position size and by trading accounts. I mean, you can have different trading accounts with different brokers, you can have different entities, okay, you know, stuff like that. And it's and with binary options, as most of you know, it's so simple to trade. In addition, with this system, that you can trade multiple accounts. You can get a little organized, but the point is that that you have a system that trades in 1 hour a day. Okay, now you're just, you know, for 1 hour a day at $500 position sizes, which in vanilla option land is, you know, little baby trading. Okay, you can't even use $500 on a lot of stock options. All right, good luck trying to trade Apple computers and vanilla options with $500. All right, it's pee-wee land. Now, but binary options, you know, it's, if you don't know what you're doing, it may seem big, okay? But once you know what you're doing, that starts to become pee-wee sized. All right, and you'll get used to it, but you need to learn how to trade first. You need to learn how to trade as a business. You need to learn how to have money management with leveraged instruments such as options, such as binary options. You need to learn the psychology of trading a system correctly, or well, I should say. And you need to learn the pitfalls to avoid in binary options trading and in day trading in general. Okay, or trading in general, but specifically day trading. Day trading has its own issues, its own challenges, and you're only going to learn how to day trade well from someone who's been able to day trade well. Okay, so we tell you, or I tell you, the specific points on exactly how to execute the system to produce the system results. Okay, and I will go step by step. I've put a lot of stuff in these courses here that reveal several secrets. Okay, and it's in there. You have to pay attention, and I want you, when you get this course, to hit it hard immediately. Once you do that, you're gonna get it. Okay, if you let it sit on the shelf or whatever, then that can be absolute foolishness. Where you can, or I'll get into more details on the system, but for just 1 hour a day at lunchtime, okay, you could have added, just trading $500 positions, you could have added a potential extra $3 grand a month in cash flow. And I know a lot of you out there, that can be a big number. Okay, and you can learn the system, and you can get someone else to trade it in your. Say you have a family. Say someone's not doing anything now. Put them to work. Okay, get them trading the system. And hey, look, if according to the story, which sounded pretty factual, I don't know for sure, but supposedly there are 1 million Japanese housewives that trade forex, and 1 million of those Japanese those housewives have $1 million plus accounts. Now, I don't know the validity of the story, but I can imagine it. Okay, out in Japan, I can imagine it. Plus, maybe they're using those candlestick secrets. Who knows? But you have other people in their family. Introduce them. This is great stuff. Okay, and teach them how to trade this well. For example, and you can expand your business. Okay, this is a great system. Okay, this is for the night person, okay, or the non-morning person. All right, if you're in the East Coast, of course, if you're out in different time zones, I don't know what to tell you. But if you're on the East Coast, even the Central Time, Mountain Time, you don't have to be in front of the computer technically until I would say about 11:50, okay, Eastern Time. And so, but really, you want to get there a little early. So, and then do your thing for an hour, and do whatever. All right, 1 hour, okay. And once you start thinking 1 hour, well, now that $3,200 seems like a lot more, which it is. All right, only 1 hour. So this is a quick learning curve. You can be up and trading relatively quickly in an expandable trading system. You can, expand over multiple accounts, etc., as I mentioned before. Now, you don't have, you can graduate up to $1,000 per trade, and now $6,000. Now that seems more attractive to some of you out there. Okay, I'm sure if some of you actually saw $3,000 a month average hitting your account, you'd be ecstatic. Okay, so let's get it right first. Let's learn to trade this thing right, okay? And then see if you can get $3,000. And then once you get $3,000, the money management system will take care of you getting up to this position size, okay? But do it step by step, and you will hit critical mass. When you hit critical mass, it's all over. Okay, or no, it's not all over, it's just starting, and the explosion starts, and that's where it gets really exciting. But you have to have the patience to go step by step with the money management system. Okay, we'll get into that in detail in the course. But here's some concepts. You get a bigger position size. You could make it, if the system produces the same average results, you could pull something like that. Okay, you have 2 different accounts. Okay, now, logically we double everything because you're trading 2 accounts. Okay. Okay, so now we have 3 accounts, and now you're looking at numbers which are looking, pretty sweet. Trading 1 hour a day. Okay, Okay, I want to emphasize this. Trading 1 hour a day, growing your account to this. Now, how hard is it to trade 3 accounts? Well, this is binary options, folks. It's pretty easy, okay, to enter an order, and you'll just get a little organized on your screen. Then click, 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 click. Okay, click, set, click, set, click. Oh, plus you have to confirm, which takes in another half a second. So something like that. So anyways, as you'll see on the site, you'll see our track record and the date, win, lose, draw, win, lose. Actually, we didn't count the draws here. We just in the draw column, we just there's a win and a loss, which equals a draw. Okay, and you see how it nets out. 3 grand there, 3,500 there, 1,600 slower month, then a big month. So you'll see that. Okay, big and slow. You see a slow one, you don't get depressed. You go the opposite and get excited. That's usually when you'll see something big. Alright, I got to wrap this video up, and to order, scroll down and click the Add to Cart button. If you have any questions, contact button. Thanks.